Hey guys, thank you for watching this video and let's start. So this is Bella, good friend of mine, and we did this beautiful picture in the very nice day in Shanghai, next to the river, in a very good weather with my camera Canon 5D Mark II with a Sigma lens 35mm 1.4. And if you want to know how to go from this picture to this one, so keep on watching. Hello guys again. So let's start. So this is Bella and we gonna make her a little bit warmer. So let's add some temperature, something like this, and exposure maybe a little bit brighter. This is some contrast. Yeah, that's good enough. We will put all the highlights down to see some details, and the whites a little bit higher. Yep, like this. Shadows will make a little bit brighter. 23, 24, it's okay. And blacks, more darker. Yeah, that's good. Let's go to tone curve. So this is the tone curve. So basics is this is shadows and this is the highlights. When you move this point around, you make it darker or brighter. The same is here. When you move these points, you make it brighter or darker. And we want to bend it a little bit. We want to make it a little bit brighter. Yeah. Yep. Something like this. Clarity. Let's make the clarity higher. Just a little bit. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So let's do some lens correction. I was filming this picture on the 35mm, so it's a little bit, it's got distortion. Let's change it a little bit, just like this, and crop it. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Okay. So let's use some brushes. I want to make the sun a little bit more visible, this effect. Okay, so our setting is, we're gonna make the temperature higher, like 30, and the exposure a little bit. Let's put it right here. Yeah, just like this. And I want to make this background a little bit more visible. We'll use the brush. Let's put it in the 0 and let's put the exposure a little bit more down. Yes, something like this. Yep, that's better. That's good. Nice. Okay, that's pretty everything. And sometimes I like to play with the camera calibration. It gives you a really nice colors. Let's play with the tint. Oh, let's make it a little bit more purple. And yes, let's put the red primer a little bit more down. Yeah, just give you more yellowish colors. Yeah, that's cool.